already. It's dumping. Wonder Woman's not open. We're gonna Iron Rattler because that's open, I think. So we're gonna go there. Wish us luck. We're already soaked, so I think Iron Rattler's open. It should be, because there's no one standing outside of it. So yeah, it's open. We're going. You excited? They're running 2 trains.
Yes.
All right. Here we go. Are you excited? That's a Fortnite dance?
Yeah.
It's better than Iron Rattler? You like twisties, huh? Wonder Woman's gonna surprise the crap out of you if it's open. I haven't seen it go at all. But I saw people over there, so we'll see. Let's go. This thing's closing, by the way. I actually might be closed already. They're putting the Joker right here. They're tearing out this thing and Joker will be in this general area. Big old swing ride. Yeah, they're already tearing it down. It's broken. Never gonna see this thing running again. You excited?
Yeah.
How excited are you? All right. Look at this thing. It's like a spaghetti noodle. Because it's tiny. All right, Matthew, you excited?
Yeah.
Wonder Woman. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Guys, we are in line for Goliath, the best Batman clone in the state of Texas because it is very bright and cheerful. Unlike the other one that's a few miles away, it's just gray with like a dark blue. Although it has one more car. But this is still my favorite Batman clone. It's my second favorite invert behind Raptor because Raptor's better. And it has no line, so we'll probably ride it a few times. Unless it's running one train, which I believe it is. So I'll probably just ride it once for now, maybe another time on the way out. And I'm sure Matthew's always excited for this, because why not? Here we go. So we just got off Goliath. We're in row 5. They're running one train. Actually, there's only one train on the track. The second train's not even to be seen. It's pretty great. And also, this train roars louder than the other train does. And that automatically makes it a bit better than all the other clones. This is the only inverted train in the state that roars. So let's go. Oh yeah, and the chain gears are squeaky. Like, they just need to clean up this ride a bit. It's fine, it just needs to, the paint's great, but everything else needs cleaned. We're back at Iron Rattler because, ironically, it has the second shortest line in the park. This looks about a 20-minute line, while Goliath is about 5. Everything else is 30, because everything else is running one train, or well, it's just, Superman's a short line too. Superman's probably shorter than this, honestly. But, what's it called? Poltergeist is a decent line, and Wonder Woman is a good 20-minute line. But Wonder Woman's not as good as this, so one ride on Wonder Woman a day is good for, enough for me. And Roadrunner has the longest line in the park, I believe, with like a 30-minute line. Not 30. It would be 30 minutes if it was 2 trains, but they have 1. It was like an hour and a half. Guys, we just got some more final shots of Goliath and we are now walking out of the park. Rides just came up from weather. They were down for an hour, but I got myself on the mindset that I wanted to go home, and I might have the possibility of going to Six Flags over Texas tomorrow. Probably not, but we'll see. I'm not sure. But yeah, here we go, going home. Enjoy some shots of Goliath from outside in the parking lot, I guess. Well guys, I was gonna film this 6th shot right here you're looking at of Goliath, but it decided to break down. So I'm gonna get that 6th shot later. If I remember. No guarantees.
Our last word of the night.
Yeah, hopefully maybe around 6 o'clock. It's about an hour or 2 from now. But it just broke down, so we're gonna go we're gonna do a big circle around the park, and we're gonna get some footage, ride any rides of short lines, and go shopping. Lots of shops.
How do you know? How do you know?
Yes.